Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Harry once again with another dryer repair. Today we are working on a Maytag Centennial commercial technology dryer. A problem that the customer is saying is that the dryer is not heating. So when we come here, put on any cycle, for example, press the button, and you can hear it, it's not starting. Well, there you go. There's your solution. There's a sock stuck in there. Now sometimes the socks will get stuck in the fan down here, causing it not to start. But in this case, it's right there. So first things first, let's get that sock out. We'll take the filter out, and you want to take the screws out from here. There's two Phillips. And of course, before you take it apart, you always want to unplug it. So let me get these screws out and show you what's next. All right, we remove the two screws. Now, the way I open these is you grab from here on the bottom, pull forward and lift up. Don't have my tripod today, but I will try to show you the best I can, because I only have one hand. Sorry about that. So let me open it up and show you that, I guess. Okay, now that I got it open, like I said, you pull forward and up. What you're trying to do is release these little clips on the sides. And since they have something here, I went ahead and tied it up there. Just be careful, they do tend to fall on you. So what you want to do at this point, grab a flat screwdriver and pry this open a little bit and do this connector. And it has 2 5/16 screws right here. So let me take it apart. Okay, so now that we took the screws off from here and the connector, pull forward and up, and that releases your front tub, and you can set it aside, and now you can get that sock right there out. You can pull, but sometimes if it's in there, you know, you don't want to damage anything down there. See, it's probably hooked on the motor itself. So to release the tub, what you want to do, grab the pulley, pull forward, and usually with both hands it's a lot easier, but pull the belt off the motor pulley and release like that. And now you can just grab the dryer belt like this and pull it out as well. So see, I had a whole bunch of stuff right here. We had a bad roller. Now it's broken. So this was probably thumping. So you were probably getting a lot of thumping sound. And because this was off, then you're getting all your clothes stuck in here. Now, see how the sock was stuck in the windings of the motor. So it's pretty bad here. So we gotta clean this all up, take it all out, clean it up, put it back together, and then see why it's not drying. But I did want to show you this. So whenever you hear noises like this, or your tub is not on here correctly, you want to go ahead and address it, because all this stuff in here can potentially catch on fire inside your dryer. So you're just giving it fuel. Okay, we're gonna replace the rollers. Usually you want to replace them in sets. That way one doesn't wear out before the other one, because at this point you can replace this one, and a few months down the line maybe that one will break. So at least this way you know they're both good. All right, hope this video helps, I'm not going to show you how to put it back together because we've done this in the past already. But if you do want to see it, I'll go ahead and do it next time for you. Or I'll link in the description a video on how to put it back together. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. One last thing I want to show you. See all this? It's stuck inside the motor. See? So you gotta fish it out at this point. So this obviously prevents the motor from spinning correctly and overheats it and makes it go bad prematurely. So I forgot to show you this, but and there's more. Alrighty. See you later, guys. Bye.